So it is very important to keep a track of all the activity within your instance to avoid any malicious intent from any of the members. You can navigate to the security tab here, and it will provide you some insights around the pre-built criteria. For instance, you can get to know about the super admins. Then you can have the two-factor authentication if it is enabled within your HubSpot instance. You can also keep a track of your inactive users and your private apps, inactive private apps. As HubSpot represents these insights, and it also categorizes is based on the risk evaluation and helps you manage all these security concerns. In addition to this, if you want to keep track of your audit logs or any of the user activity, you can go into the settings and activity section and mention and view all the logs. This will help you keep track of all the logs, and you can make sure that you do not have any risky access to your system, or you can backtrack any of the activity that in case of any error within the platform.